Hello, everyone. My name is Victor Mendes, Director of Business Development at Top. And today, our topic is an exciting one. We will be talking about stablecoins adoption on Ton. But first, why Top is so engaged in promoting the adoption of stablecoins? We believe that a successful ecosystem around stablecoins will resonate much beyond wallet, Tonekeeper, or specific projects, but will accrue value to our entire ecosystem. And that's why we are heavily committed in making sure that Tone becomes a very successful ecosystem for stablecoins. So I'm going to be walking you through initially about how our landscape for USDT Tone looks like, sharing some stories of success, and of course, what's next for stablecoins on Tone. To set the stage, let's take a look on the current landscape on where USDT Tone is available. 6 months ago, we started this work to make sure that everyone could access USDT on Tone. So we focus not just on exchanges listings, but also making sure that every vertical across the Web3 space would be fully supporting USDT Tone. Since then, we got more than 40 exchanges, 30 on-ramps, 20 payment service providers, dozens of wallets, and key infra providers to support USDT Tone. So that now, no less than 300 million crypto users can have access to USDT Tone. This sets a foundational layer for the growth of stablecoins on Tone. There's no question that stablecoin is a killer app within the Web3 space. Millions of users already use it, have access. But Tone wants to take it much further. We want to make sure 1 billion people will be able to access stablecoins. The deep integration with Telegram is a key component for us to achieve that goal. It's important for me to remind you that this integration with Telegram, allowing its users to send USDT between one and the other, it's unprecedented. No other Web2 application has managed to integrate stablecoins at such a deep level for such a big user base. So far, more than 4 million people on Telegram, users on Telegram, were able to experience how convenient it is to transact USDT through Telegram. It's very important for us to focus especially on local communities, simply because we believe USDT, stablecoins, it's not just a tool for trading or settlements between exchanges, but there are big real use cases beyond that. In fact, almost half of every crypto user have already used stablecoins for real-world use cases that, again, not trading, not settling between exchanges. In many regions like Argentina or Nigeria, for example, USDT is broadly used as a tool for hedging or fighting hyperinflation. So that it was very important for us to make sure that USDT Tone would be available in those regions. For example, it's available through Coiwe, a prominent on-ramp service from Argentina. It's also available through Yellow Card, a major on- and off-ramp solution for the African continent. But there are different use cases, though. In countries like Thailand, where there are many migrant workers living outside, they use USDT as a primary rail for sending money back home to their loved ones. Through BitCub, the largest local exchange, local users, Thai people, are able to easily off-ramp their USDT Tone. Working with local platforms allow us not just to better understand local trends, but also to help those players, those platforms, to develop stories of success. And a great example of that is Normis. Normis is an on-ramp platform from Indonesia that managed to create their on-ramp service as a mini app on Telegram. This is very unique because now we see probably the next generation of on-ramps in the way they're building. Normis has managed to harness it not just this Telegram mini app, but also with Tone Connect, Any user with USDT TON is able to easily and quickly use normies for off-ramp without switching between apps or going through like a crazy flow. They can do all that within the app they love, Telegram. A very important point to this, and I want to stress out this new generation of what normies is, have started. I'm often asked by on-ramps what it takes to integrate with wallet in Telegram. And the answer is quite simple. It doesn't take the wallet to integrate on-ramps. It only takes those on-ramps to build on Telegram, on TON, with TON Connect. And they will have access to millions of users in our ecosystem. But how to make sure that everyone will be able to access stablecoins on TON? Enter Sorted Wallet. Sorted Wallet is a crypto wallet designed for low-powered, non-smartphones. More than 1 billion people, especially across Africa and India, use those phones. And so far, they were excluded from the stablecoin and crypto ecosystem. Now, all these people have access to not just USDT on TON, TONcoin, but also all the stablecoins to come to our ecosystem. And this is really unique because this speaks to what is TON and TOP at its most. It's really putting crypto in everyone's pocket, and we're not leaving anyone behind. Cases like normies and sorted wallet are great examples of how important it is to work with local platforms. Those platforms, they usually provide much better on and off ramp solutions for the users by connecting to local payment rails. They also communicate much better with local institutions, such as traditional finance institutions or even government, helping to educate and to promote the benefits of stablecoins, so that becomes a solution and not a problem. Local platforms also are highly engaged with their communities, and they communicate much better to promote education around stablecoins. That's why we are now partnering with 30 platforms across the Global South, Latin America, Africa, Southeast Asia, to promote education around stablecoins, USDT TON especially. We've committed ourselves to deploy over $1 million, 1 million USDT, in fact, to make sure that activities that would target 200 million users would be effectively deployed. So far, we've reached 100 integrations, a little more than that, actually. There's no question that we're going to be at 200 soon. And just like everything on TON goes parabolic, I think we'll see many of these solutions, not just integrations of USDT TON, but the next generation of on-ramps, on and off-ramps building on Telegram as mini apps. But why this number is important? This is important because this will create a flywheel effect. Whereby there will be more users using on-ramps with more quality, faster, cheaper, more accessibility. We should also see more stablecoins coming to TON, right? That's just announced by Alessandro from Tether. We should see Tether's dirham coming to TON, and hopefully many more stablecoins as well. What TOP is doing is in promoting and developing those partnerships to promote adoption of stablecoins. It's not just a benefit for TOP, but rather than that, it will allow any project on TON to integrate with those TON-based stablecoin solutions so that its users will have better accessibility, better quality on-ramps. This is a major contribution that TOP is providing to the ecosystem. I am really excited about what comes next for TON, and I'm very happy to be part of this journey, paving the way for more accessibility for stablecoins. Thank you.